Hello guys, welcome to Code with Lakshit. In this tutorial, I will explain you how you can create an age calculator. So let's begin. First of all, I open my IDE. I use code block. Now, first of all, include IOStream library. Include IOStream library. Now, int main curly braces. Now we will declare some variables. First of all, int c date. I want to tell you that here C stands for current. C stands for current, and I will use one more letter B, which stands for birth. C date, C month, current year. Now birth date, birth month, and birth year. Some more are there. This is your keyword to calculate your age birth, age date, sorry, comma, age month, comma, age year. One more variable we will declare. This is a character. We will name it as x. Now we will declare a function int month square brackets 12 months are there equals to curly braces. Now we will write days in a month, like in January we have 31 days, in Feb we have 28 days, in March 31, and so on. 30, 31, 30, 31, 30, 31. Let me calculate. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. No. Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July. I think in August it is 31 days. September, October, November, and December. Now let's begin. First of all, we will put a heading: standard count space. We want more space. That's okay. Age calculator. This /n stands for line space. Now actually colon count. We will take some details from the user as input. Enter the following details. No, sorry. It was my mistake. We will take enter current date as date, month, year. std colon cow. Sorry, now use skin. Current date. The X character which we have used is used for this thing. Okay, X and month, X current year. Now we will ask for his birthday date or her birthday date. Can current birth date, X birth month, and last current birth year. After collecting all this data, now we will use some statement. If birthday date is greater than current date, then what happened then? Current month is minus. Okay, current date equals to current date plus month, square brackets. It will come here, birthday month minus 1. Yeah, I got it right. After this, what is next? Yeah, we will use one more statement. If birthday month is greater than current month, then current year minus. Now current month equals to current month plus 12. After this, we will use the age date equals to current date minus birthday date. Age month equals to current month minus birthday month, last current year equals to current year minus birthday year. At last, we have to print all this thing. Std colon count your ages years. How many years are you of? Age underscore year. Now month age month. Oh, last days. Age date. Let's return this value. Now run the program. Hope it run fine. Oh my god, it's there in line 16. Oh, sorry. It's the age. Now return. Now return. Sorry. Return 0. Now write the date, like current date is 12/07/2020. Birthday date, sorry, birthday date is left. Yes, std colon count enter your day as day, month, year. Let me check if anything left. I think I have to put colon here. Wait. We have to do space in between this and this. Now let's run the program. Hopefully, what's the 12/07/2020. Date of birth 28.002. Here is the result. I am 17 years old, 8 months and 15 days. Oh, here is your age calculator. Thank you for watching this video and stay connected for more videos like this. Thank you.